Okay, so let's have a look at the last adjustment for the debenture interest for the 2022 McGuigan manufacturing account. So it's looking at debenture interest due. So because it says debenture interest due, we must have paid some of our debenture interest already. So let's have a look at our debenture interest and calculate the yearly amount. So there's two steps to this. First, you're going to calculate the yearly debenture interest that we have to pay. And the second thing then, what's due to be paid on it. So debenture interest are long-term loans that we've got from investors or from a bank. So we need to be careful with this here because it says 8% debenture interest including 50,000 that was got on the 1st to the 4th. So 300,000 is our total amount for our debentures. So the full year for debenture interest is going to be 250,000. So it's 300,000 take away 50,000 and we're going to multiply that by 8%. And then the new debenture that we got throughout the year, which is 50,000, we're going to multiply that by 8% because that's the rate. And then we're going to multiply that by how long we had it for. So 8% multiply that. So we got in the 1st to 4th. So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. That's going to be 9/12. So the yearly investment income is 250,000, multiply that by 0.8, and then we also have the 50,000 that we don't have for the full year, so that's why we're doing it separately. So the full investment or debenture interest they have to pay is 23,000. So this 30,000 or 300,000, that's going to go into your finance by section of your balance sheet, and this 23,000 is going to go into your, so you're going to take it away from your operating income. So you're going to have your operating income, then you're going to add on your investment income, then you're going to take away your debenture interest. So if 23,000 is the amount that we have to pay, it said in the question that debenture interest paid already is 5,000. So the difference between the two is your debenture interest due. That goes into your balance sheet as current liabilities due within 1 year. So two parts to the debenture interest. You're going to find the debenture interest for the year. That's going to go into your profit and loss account. And then you're going to find the debenture interest due. That's going to go into your balance sheet. Remember, do not calculate your debenture interest for the year on this 300,000. You're going to break it up into two. You're going to take any issued during the year, that 50,000. For this question, you're going to take it away from the 300,000. That's going to give you 250,000. That's what we have for the full year. So that's going to be multiplied by 8%. And then on the 50,000, then you're going to multiply that by 8%. Then you're going to multiply by how long you had it for, which is 9/12. You're going to add those two together, and that's going to give you a figure that goes into your profit and loss account. That's the yearly amount. We have paid some of our debenture interest already. So we've 5,000 paid, so what's left to pay is 18,000. That's going to go into your balance sheet as a creditor due within 1 year. So that's the first part for the provisions for number 9 for 2022 McGuigan exam paper for manufacturing accounts.